Hey, what's up guys, welcome back again. Today I have a 2008 CRV, Honda CRV, and I'm going to perform a door actuator change for the front and the rear. The steps is similar, front, rear, right? So you basically have a new actuator here. This is for the front. Hopefully it's the right one. Crossing my finger, and this is the rear right here. All right, so basically the actuator failed on this one. It's not locking or unlocking, and this side is making a noise, grinding noise, that indicates that the gear is messed up. All right, so I'm going to replace that too. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this door panel looks like. So I'm gonna start off by removing the screws. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the first screw that I'm going to remove. So there's a screw right there, there's two, and I'm also going to remove, so just pop that up with a small screwdriver. There's another screw there. There's another one here. So I'm just gonna pop that up, and you guys can see that screw. Alright, and I'm also going to pop this out. Alright, so just like that. Like that. So you have you have these, right? Pop out and get that out of the way. Make sure that the window is up, because when you have to remove the actual actuator, it's gonna go through down back to the panel and out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the screws, and I'm gonna pop the panel out. Phillips screwdriver. Put it in a magnetic tray right here so I don't lose it. So there's two of this type of screws. Alright. Two of that on here. Of it. I like this type. I forgot to show you guys another one here. Right on top. Alright, so it seems like this is the top, this is the top, this is the bottom. This is the bottom here, this one is the top. I want to show you guys this one. So basically there's an opening here. Pry it up, pry that cover out, and use the Phillips screw. Alright, just like that. Okay. So these are the screws that I have. These are for the two the door handle. This the top, and this they look like the same size. So this one goes here, and the other one goes right down here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the door panel. I have one of these. Start from the bottom, get it out just like that, easy. And then I'm gonna lift it up just like that. I'm gonna grab the camera and show you guys what's behind here. So you guys will see that there is a connector right down here that you're going to remove, but first I'm gonna pop this out. I'm gonna pop this out. Just give me a second. There you go. Gonna pop that out. So I'm going to grab this. There's a thing that I can pop out of there. Just like that. So this thing comes out as one piece, and then now I can pull this. I can show you guys the connector here. And show you guys what it looks like. Looking from underneath here, there is a tab here that you're going to push up and then pull. Alright guys, just like that. Now this panel is free to go. It's out. Alright. I'm just gonna lay it right there. And this is what we're looking at here, guys. Okay? So, oh, looks like someone has gotten in here. Uh-oh. But anyway, I'm gonna open that up and check out some stuff, and then I'll show you guys what needs to get done. Alright, so first up, we're going to remove this grommet that's holding the plastic. And then we want to remove this, so you want to push on the tab and pull away, just like so. Tab here, tab bottom, just like that. And what you want to do is open this thing up. Just like that. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys what you guys need to remove. So remove this. Remove this 10 mil bolt. Remove these 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. And you're gonna want to use something like this, big one, okay? Don't use a small one. Use a specific size for it, a big one. Otherwise, you're gonna strip that. All right, so that's that. And this for that, and then I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like there. That's the actuator. There is a, see the rod there that goes all the way up there? There, I'm going to remove that, and I'm gonna show you guys how to remove that. I have a long flathead here. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys how it's done. So I have my screwdriver here. I'm trying to film it so you guys have an idea. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it like that. Did you guys see that? Oh, alright, so this, you guys can see it. So that one was in like that. All I have to do was with my flathead screwdriver, I push it that way to get it out. Okay, so that way. Alright, from this hole right here. Alright, it's a really long flathead. Alright, so that's out. And then the next thing now is to pull that rod out. Let's see if I can pull it with my hand. Yeah, I pulled it with my hand. So there you go, it's out. Alright. Okay, so the next step now is to remove this, that, this, and that. And that should all come out. And mill. Show you guys the run channel for the window. Alright, so guys, this is the run channel. The reason for removing this is so that you can back this out this way like that, so then you can remove the whole actuator here, the door lock actuator. Now I'm gonna move the actuator out. Alright. And then just, yeah, work it out just like that. It's almost out. The rod is getting in the way. Rod is kind of like getting in there. Now I've tried to maneuver this out. It's kind of hard to work with just one hand. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys in a long distance view how to remove that. Rod. Snap. Alright, so that's out. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So that's how it looks like. Alright. And I'm gonna compare it with the new one, which I have right here. Okay. So this piece, this rod is gonna go here, right? So I'm going to open this plastic covers to retrieve this cable. I'm going to open this cover to retrieve this cable. All right, start one by one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rod first. This is going to be tricky. pried it up. It came with the whole piece, so I don't know. How you going to remove this? I mean, I have to disconnect this from that. So we're going to do a little bit of experiment here to try what's best method to use. Really. Okay. Oh, just like this maybe. Just like that. Oh, okay. So you basically, it goes in this way. I'll show you guys that right now. So, oh no. Ha 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 ha. So from the bottom on, you won't be able to get in from the top. Like this. You can't get it in like this. Guys, okay. It's going to be difficult. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pry this out. Alright. I'll pry this out and yeah, just like that. So once I have this out, and put that thing in, and then I'll put it back in, just like that. Okay. All right, guys. So I had this. I had the orientation wrong, where I had this one like this. See this? The end is facing this way. It should be this way, facing that way, facing this way, just like so. So then I'm going to put this in like that, and then push it in hard so it doesn't come out easily. Make sure that it doesn't come out easily. See, I'm trying to pull it, it's not coming out, so that's good. The next step is to, this is the easy one right here, so this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to remove this easy one. So I'm going to remove the cover. I think they may be actually coming out from this side instead of the other side. So pop that open, just like so. Alright, so you guys can see that both the cables are here. So I'm going to get my flathead, pry that up, and work this way out, just like that. Put it in here. I hope you guys can see that. So I'm gonna go in and just like that, and that's in, and then push that in place. All right. And then the next step is this one right here. So this one right here. So this black plastic piece needs to go that way. So I'm gonna do that right now, just like that. All right. And then you can pull this out. Then you can pry this up, just like so. And then I'm going to put it in here. Put it in there. Make sure that this plastic part is in this side, because if you lock it, you gotta go that way. right? So you don't want this one to be in there. Well, it can go around, so it doesn't matter anyway. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna put that in. I'm gonna push this in just like that, and I'm gonna push the black plastic going in that way while you're holding onto this, so you're putting pressure against it, so it'll go in easily, just like so, just like that. Right, so that's in place. Right, now that's back together. Now I can put this back on now. So that's in, and then put that back in place where it is, and then this one, just like that, in place, and then the 2 screws. That's in. Other screw goes in here. There you go. So this is done deal. All right. Same connector, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. So with the rod like this, like that. I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the rod in first. Assembly. Run channel with the run channel. Put the rod behind the run channel. Rod has to go behind the run channel. Alright. Okay, I'm going to show you what the progress is right now. I'm going to put the rod behind the run channel. Alright guys, so turn on the light. Alright, so that's in. Alright, so the run channel goes behind the rod goes behind the run channel. This is the run channel, right? This one. That's the run channel, this one. And the rod is behind there. And I'll go back up to there. I'm gonna show you guys. Put it in right now. You guys can see that. All I have to do is push that in just like so, and this one, the blue clip, lock it up just like that. All right, so that's in. All right, and basically what you need to do now is put this in place just like that, line it up, put the screws in. Alright, so I'm gonna go and set my camera here. that 10 mil is the run channel, so move it around. Okay. 10 mil goes right here. And then the three screws with the door lock actuator. Can you see that? You guys can't see it. Can you guys see that? So let's go in. Oh, we have two. It's two. Itself up, guys. This up. Like that. All good. Just give this a little bit of a just like that. Alright, so that's tight. I'll tighten this up too. So the whole latch assembly with door actuator is done. That part is done. All I have to do now is put it back all together. So it's basically the reverse procedure, guys. So, starting with this, and then there's an opening here, so you want to put it there, and there's the now I'm going to test the operation of the door. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this, test the operation. Alright. I'll actually do that later on. So what I'm going to do is put it back together like so. hopefully that this is gonna work out fine. Cross your fingers. I'm gonna put it back together. First I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect this connector. Now I'm going to test the operation. Okay. Should be able to close, open. Alright guys, so it's good. It's working fine now. You guys hear the noise over here? I'm going to replace that too. Same procedure guys, okay? So all I have to do now is put the screws back together. Yeah. Alright guys, so this video helps you out in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Alright guys, thanks for supporting. See you guys again soon.